Tribe the heads up about an exciting new event dedicated to tech in property, which is happening in June. And I'm delighted to be joined by one of the co-founders, Jazz. And Jazz, really innovative event that you're going to host. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, we are putting this event together on the 2nd of June in London, PropTeq, the European Summit. It's really bringing together the property innovators, the forward-thinking people within property for a series of discussions in regards to the future of property.
So no speakers, it's much more like a kind of collaborative environment, isn't it?
Absolutely. We have rounds of discussions which focus on a particular subsector of property innovation. And then once you're in one of the discussions, which last about an hour, it's very much an opportunity to digress with your peers and understand where opportunities may lie in a much more natural, comfortable manner.
So who is the event of interest to within the property community? Because obviously we have the kind of core of innovators that are driving PropTeq forward, but I think one of your main aims is to really broaden it out and engage a lot more people into the PropTeq sphere.
Absolutely. You know, we are working with a real cross-section of the property market. We're dealing with core property people, startup, investors, tenants, agents, guys like Cushman and Wakefield. So it's a cross-section of all different people from property looking at where the innovation is going to come from next.
I think that's so important because to our mind, PropTeq can have a huge positive impact on creating a better experience of everybody in the private rented sector in terms of audit trails, transparency and all these things. And it's so important that everybody starts to engage with this now because it is actually going to benefit everybody from landlords to tenants to agents right across the field.
Absolutely. And the reason we're putting this meeting together on the 2nd of June is to help facilitate that. It is all about communication, understanding where the trends are going to come from, and ultimately understanding how these can benefit your day-to-day operation.
I think so. And getting all people into the room under the same roof at the same time, that's where sort of magic happens really, isn't it?
Absolutely. I go back to our main key. It's all about communication. It's all about understanding where the opportunities lie and having a platform to discuss those and find where the opportunities are going forward.
Well, we're going to put some information underneath the video about how you can get hold of a 2-for-1 ticket offer if you would like to be joining us at PropTeq this year, because Nick and I are going to be there as well. We're going to be involved in the discussions, and I'm looking forward to a really exciting day, Jazz. I think it's so important that the property industry starts to really embrace this, because traditionally it's been actually very slow to take up change and to run with these new innovations, hasn't it? So we really need to give it a push.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, meetings like this that we are putting together can only help that. It's about getting the people who ultimately you'll be discussing with your peers, the decision makers, all together to exchange ideas. And that's how innovation in every walk of life happens.
Fantastic. Well, we'll look forward to joining you on the 2nd of June in London, and check below for ticket details if you're interested in coming along. Thanks for watching. Thank you.